Benefiting from semi-automatic assistance, the Novus B7A automatic stapler makes particularly easy work of stapling 2 to 8 sheets of paper. You only need to apply pressure to a specific point, and the stapling cycle is automatically completed for perfect stapling results. The stapler comes with the anti-blocking system, ABS for short. Even if stapling isn't performed correctly, there's no annoying staple jam in the way you're likely to be familiar with from other staplers. The spring-mounted magazine ensures perfect results the next time the stapler is used. The B7A can staple up to 30 sheets of paper. And when staples run out, the press button loading system provides you with even more convenience. By pressing a button at the rear of the staple channel automatically springs forward for refilling. 3 rows of staples can now be inserted from above, all very easily. The movable anvil makes it possible to change between permanent and temporary stapling whenever you need to. All you have to do is turn the anvil. With temporary stapling, the staple can be pulled out with your fingers. This makes it ideal for temporarily holding documents together that need copying or scanning later on. The Novus stapler also provides the option of nailing as an easy way of attaching notes or photos to a cork pin board. To do this, you simply open it through 180 degrees. The staple ends are sunk vertically into the item you are attaching, turning a stapler into a tacker.